What's up? It's Jaboy. And Jaboy.
Back with another YouTube video.
Back with another YouTube video. Yeah. We're going to Waffle House. And then we're going to Waffle House.
And then...
What are we doing after that?
차가운 세상 눈을 감고 침대에 누워도 귀를 막고 어제가 오늘의 여지 늘 늦은 자책만 가득한 채
We're doing Waffle House. Food was good. Now our plans for the day are to go home, wait on our mommy, go get some blood work. Little dude over here's got to get some blood taken out of his body, and then we're gonna go to the mall, go shopping. Yay!
Go spend time at the mall.
Yeah! All right, mom just got home. We're about to leave, go do the things that we were gonna do. Say hi, mama.
Hi, mama. We'll behave if we go. Yeah.
Or November 6th or 7th, you've got morning and afternoon.
We're at the place to get his blood drawn now, so we'll be back. That was fast. We're already done.
Yeah, we're already done.
Derek got his blood drawn. How's it feel?
Oh.
Yeah, you know.
Feels good? He likes getting the life sucked out of him. All right, to the mall.
Open your eyes 조용히 open your eyes open your eyes open your eyes 이제는 open your eyes
We're at the mall now.
Open your eyes 조용히 open your eyes open your eyes open your eyes 이제는 open your eyes 어려지지 않은 미움과
Walk up in the skate shop like, hey, y'all got any 750 size boards?
No, sir. The smallest board is 775. Dumbass.
Feel how light these are, he says. Actually, that's kind of insane. Vans, why are you so light? Dang, bro. I feel like I'm holding a shoe or something. Dad. Yep. What did we just buy, Mom?
Stupid stuff.
What did we buy, Derek?
I'm sad.
I'm mad. How is it?
Good.
Good? That's that? That's that?
We both paused when you took a sip.
I didn't want to do it, but I gotta do it. Making our final stop at Tivana. Tivana. Then we're done. We're back home. I don't know what else is going on today. Derek jumped back on the video games. Got us some goods from Zummies and Vums. Derek's gonna be going later to help out one of our buddies move into his new house. And after that, our homie Kiri is coming over, I think, for a night. I'm gonna work on some videos. I'm gonna edit, get online and surf the web and eat. I'll be back whenever Josh gets here, I guess. So much fun. You coming out? There it is. They're having a party.
Multirex.
Derek is still out, Josh isn't here. I don't know. It's gotten late though, I'm getting tired. So we're gonna wrap it up here. Had lots of fun with my dog though for those last little bits of the day. It's been about 3 hours since then, well, it's been a day. Goodbye. Goodbye. It's been a day. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Got a new girl, she my whole world. Brought her to the house and I took her for a whirl. Took her to the city, night lights, got her looking pretty, and she hit me with the nitty gritty. Now